So I'm using Microsoft Windows 10 to make this tutorial, and what I'm going to do is download our Slack application to Windows 10 and then work around with it to link our Slack channel that we made in the previous lesson. So for that, I'm just going to go on to my Start menu, and then I'm going to access the Microsoft Store where I can download the Slack application from. And over here in the search bar, I'm just going to type in Slack and press enter. So once I do that, Slack has been searched, as you can see, and the first result is the app. So I can simply go over here onto Slack and open that out. So once I open up Slack, what happens is that the page is loading up, and I can simply hit install for this to be installed on my computer. So I'm just going to click on install, and Slack application starts downloading right here. So this will take some time depending on your internet speed connection, but I'm just going to fast forward this in this tutorial video. And the Slack application has been installed. So I can simply go over here and click on the launch button to launch out the application. And let's see how we can work with it now. And our application has been launched, so I can simply close this out. And here you go, the Slack application is right here. So let me just maximize this out. So here, if you're new to Slack, you can simply sign up from over here, but we already created an account in our previous lesson. So I'm just going to go around and hit the sign in button. So once you hit the sign in button, your browser opens up, and you can see that the TutorTube channel that we made in the previous lesson is here. So we can simply click on launch, and what happens is that it'll sign you in inside of Slack in web browser, and then you can launch the application Slack right here, which we just installed. So we can just click on open link, and what happens is that the Slack application gets signed in just like that. So over here now you can see that it says welcome to Slack, just like this. And what happens is that we can work around with different channels and everything else. So TutorTube is here, TutorTube 2 is here, as you can see, and we can work around with different settings right over here. So that is how you can install Slack in Microsoft Windows and then link it out to your Slack channel. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.